everybody. नमस्ते।
नमस्ते सर।
सुबोध पांडे जी नमस्ते।
आप सबको नमस्कार।
सबको नमस्ते सर।
नमस्ते सर।
सबको नमस्ते।
सबको नमस्ते सर। मैं बीएसटीवी पब्लिक स्कूल से ब्रजेश मिश्रा बोल रहा हूँ सर। आप सभी को नमस्ते सर।
नमस्ते एवरीवन। नमस्ते।
हेलो।
नमस्ते सर। नमस्ते सर।
4 बजे के बाद आए, 4 बजे के बाद।
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। नमस्ते।
सुमन सर नमस्ते।
हाँ नमस्कार सर। जैसे जैसे हम लोगों की उपस्थिति इसमें बढ़ेगी, उम्मीद है कि बाकी मित्रों को शामिल होने में परेशानी होगी, क्योंकि यह 100 से आगे बढ़ने पर दिक्कत करता है लिंक।
सुमन सर नमस्ते।
नमस्ते
सही
जी।
बोल रहे हैं सुमन साहब। 100 से ज्यादा होगा तो नहीं लेगा।
250
ऑलरेडी
अच्छा, तो अब
96 ओवर हो गए। हाँ ओवर हो जाएगा। ओवर हो गया। अब दिक्कत होगी। 2-4 और होगा।
अभी भी यहाँ तक पहुँचने में बहुत
250 है
कठिनाई
सर,
हुई है।
250 है।
अच्छा,
250 है
खरीदारी हुई है।
250
250 है लेकिन लेता नहीं है।
खरीदने पर लेगा।
हो गया।
खरीदने पर लेगा सर।
डोंट वरी सर,
अरिंजय जी नमस्कार भाई।
छोटी
नमस्कार नमस्कार सुमन सर।
सुमन बोल रहा हूँ।
हाँ सुमन सर नमस्कार।
यहाँ पे था नहीं।
Good afternoon, everybody.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
Yeah, I hope a
गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
number of newcomers might now have the time has been
या
3 to 2.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
Good afternoon, everybody. Start करवा दे। Start हो जाए।
सर
Now I request our क्या हुआ? What happened? Just a minute, sir. Principal sir is calling me. After 2 minutes, I am coming to you.
Hello.
Yes, our honorable principal sir is going to address all of you. So with the permissions of our honorable sir, we are going to start this valedictory function. First of all, I would like to invite Mr. P.C. Tripathi, Principal DAV Bikramganj. Sir, as a schedule, we are having first program, that is Gayatri Mantra. So please start.
Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha
All the participants, please switch off your microphone, creating echoing sound. Participant, please switch off your microphone. नहीं उन्होंने हट Participant, please. This is information for you. I request you to kindly speak out your expressions regarding this webinar, feelings, or if you are having any golden suggestions, never hesitate to share with us. Most welcome your ideas. Anyone, whoever like, the person can switch on his microphone and speak out. Thank you, sir. Ranjit Dwivedi, sir, would you like to say something regarding this function? Ranjit Kumar, sir, am I audible to you? Ranjit, sir, he is not able to listen my voice. So again, I invite any of you, please take the initiatives, switch on your microphone and express your feelings, ideas, suggestions, whatever you like. Feel free to share with us your precious ideas. Would be very, very.
Madhav sir is speaking here.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Madhav sir is speaking here. I want to say something.
Madhav sir, please,
Yes,
other participants, switch off your microphone. Here, Madhav sir is going to say something. Yes, Madhav sir, start.
Yes, sir.
Most
I am
welcome, start.
Madhav sir, DAV Public School, Buxar, Bihar. Respected Honorable ARO sir, Principal cum coordinators of the webinars, principals of different schools, participants of different subjects, and master trainers. All are thankful for this webinar. At first, I am thankful to all the persons who have arranged the webinar helps us to improve the knowledge and the skills of different areas of different subjects. I was in science webinar. In the first session, we were known about the NEP, New Education Policy. Mr. Neeraj sir focused on the important terms of NEP, which will be implemented in the coming session. It was very useful. In second session, we were learned about the problems of online teaching and also about its solution. Mrs. Arundhati discussed it well. We are thankful to her. In third session, we were learned about how to make science very easy, and in the third day, means today, we studied how to use online labs by Rakesh sir and also by Sudhir Kumar, how to make easy science. It was very good. In fourth session, Mr. Abdul Majid was the master trainer who gave the knowledge of experimental learning. It was good, but the network disturbed it. So we became very sad for lacking it. In the second day, the master trainer was Mr. Chandravanu Gupta. He also showed some experiment related to physics. It was very good. All the master trainers of science, because I was in science, were very good. Their teaching and their processes were very good. As for my side or myself, both Abdul Majid sir and Chandravanu sir focused on the experimental learning, not on the experiential learning, because there is a great difference between experimental learning and experiential learning. It is my request, and I hope that they will focus on the experiential learning in the next coming webinar, and will arrange some different activities based on the experiential learning, which will be useful inside the class. At last, I am very thankful to all the members of this webinar. Thank you.
Okay, thank you a lot, Madhav sir. You are just torch bearer. I would like to invite other participants. So always feel free to join us. Yes. Ghanshyam.
Yes, sir.
Deepak Singh, left. Who is our next speaker? Who I am talking to? Sumant Kumar Singh. Hello. Who I am talking to? Who is our next participant? I would like to know. Please. Valmiki Rai. Most welcome.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir, start. Your precious
Good afternoon to all of you.
ideas would be very, very helpful to us.
Good afternoon to all of you. From previous 3 days, we have joined and learned much more effective tools and techniques from this webinar. To center myself better as a teacher through many techniques, to take the time to stand back and take note the moment and reevaluate. It is helpful for kids to gain this strength. Slowing down, pause, breath are not only helpful in the moment, but also important to our health and well-being, our own and our students. I believe that I can incorporate practices into my daily life easily, and I was also able to incorporate mindfulness practices in my classroom. This program has been very helpful in providing me with self-intervention for my wandering mind as well as helping me be more in control. I have a much more helpful and heavier understanding and awareness of my emotions and reactions. I feel that it has helped to teaching learning process more effective and how to control and reduce stress and unfilled myself with positive thought and how to reduce negative talk. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Balmiki Rai, sir. Very, very thanks. Now, still I have a little bit time. I would like to invite one more participant. Next participant.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Shashi Pandey,
This
sir.
is Shashi Pandey.
Most welcome, sir. Yes, start.
First of all, I am very much thankful and privileged that all you have given me this opportunity to speak and share my experiences about the workshop. Respected ARO, sir, Mr. A.K. Jana, Mr. My school principal and my mentor, Mr. Sanjay Sinha, sir, honorable principals of different schools, my fellow master trainers, and all the participants. I think we had a wonderful, interactive, and engaging 3 days. I think all of us, being the teachers, have understood the importance of these workshops because in between these 2 workshops, we learn many things, and during the workshop, we all get a platform from where we can share our learning and experiences. We have all learned the importance of ICT in education and learn how e-learning and different ICT tools like RoboCompass, GeoGebra, WordWall, and many more help in refining not only online but also our effective offline teaching. We have learned how National Education Policy 2020 is shaping our whole education system. We have learned how misconceptions that students develop during the earlier stages of their learning mathematics is the real cause of creation of maths phobia among the children, and how we can remove this phobia from the minds of our students. We have learned the importance of learning by doing and the importance of relating mathematics with life examples and how it is useful in all walks of life. So I, Shashi Pandey, as a master trainer and as a teacher, strongly feel that these 3 days have been a wonderful learning experience for me and for all the participants. And I think it will be more productive if we all implement it in our regular online and offline classrooms. Then only the purpose of having these workshops is likely served. Thank you very much for this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I would like to invite one more participant to express his feelings regarding this webinar. Next participant, please come forward. Here is Shashi Pandey, sir. Next participant.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sanjay Srivastav.
Yes, sir.
No.
I am Sanjay Kumar Srivastav from BSDAV
Okay, sir.
Public School.
Most welcome, sir. Most welcome.
Sir, first
Okay,
of
sir.
all, I very thankful to my honorable Mr. A.K. Jana, sir, manager, Mr. Sanjay, sir, and my honorable opportunity be as a master trainer. In 3 days workshop, in this pandemic situation, many more things. When I learned from my workshop, which is organized by Delhi, I learned, and in these 3 days webinar, there are so many problems we have to, such like network problem we have. But in these 3 days, when we have to conversation to the participant, we have learned many more things. And apart from that, we have what we have learned from my workshop, I try to do my best. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you a lot.
Sir, hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Most welcome. Suman Kumar
जी
Singh.
जी नमस्ते
Sir,
सर।
please.
मैं सुमन
Yes, sir.
कुमार
नमस्ते,
सिंह
नमस्ते,
और
नमस्ते।
मैं हिंदी कार्यशाला में शामिल प्रशिक्षकों में से एक रहा हूँ, BSDAV आरा से। और सर बहुत सुखद रहा कि यह हमारे संकुल बक्सर से संयोजित हुई कार्यशाला और हमारे सभी जो हिंदी सेवी थे सबका बहुत ही स्नेहपूर्ण और सौहार्दपूर्ण इसमें भागीदारी रही। हम 5 शिक्षक जो बतौर प्रशिक्षक शामिल थे, हम जो विषय बिंदु निर्धारित किए थे, जिसमें माननीय हमारे अभिभावक का एक निर्देश भी था कि आप सब जो हैं वो कला आधारित कला समेकित शिक्षण पर भी फोकस करेंगे, अनुभव आधारित शिक्षण पर भी प्रकाश डालेंगे। इसके अलावे प्रबंधन के जो गुण हैं उस पर भी बातें होनी चाहिए और साथ साथ जो विषयगत कुछ बातें थी उस पर भी। तो हमारे प्रशिक्षक मित्र आदरणीय राघवेंद्र दुबे जी और श्रीमान अजय कुमार जी, प्रसून कुमार जी डुमरांव से और विक्रमगंज से ब्रजेश विभूति, ये हम सबों ने मिलकर के काम किया था। और बहुत एक अच्छी बात यह रही इस कार्यशाला की कि हमने अपने जो प्राथमिक, माध्यमिक और उच्चतर माध्यमिक की जो बातें थी उसको थोड़ा सा आपस में मिला करके जो हमने काम किया, तो यह सबके सीखने के लिए काफ़ी प्रासंगिक कहें तो यह कार्यशाला रही। और मैं चाहता हूं कि चूंकि इस स्थिति में आभासी संसार से हम लोग जुड़ करके काम कर रहे हैं इस विकट काल में, तो इस ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाभप्रद बना सके, रोचक बना सके, तो हमारे मित्रों ने इसके भरपूर प्रयास किए। ज्ञानवर्धन कैसे हो सके इसके प्रयास किए गए। क्योंकि मैं एक उसमें प्रशिक्षक के रूप में था, तो मैं अपने प्रशिक्षकों की बड़ाई नहीं कर सकता। हमारे जो हिंदी सेवी शामिल रहे हैं वही बताएंगे कि हमारे जो कार्य थे वो 3 दिनों तक किस तरह से संपादित हुए। लेकिन बतौर एक समीक्षात्मक बात मैं रखना चाहता हूँ कि इस कला को और इस वेबिनार को और सशक्त हम लोग कैसे बना सकते थे। पिछले साल जब हम लोग पटना दानापुर से संयोजित जो कार्यशाला थी उसमें शामिल थे जोन की वजह से, तो उसमें हमने सीखा कि पूरे जो कार्यशाला के हर एक विषय के लिए जो केंद्र बिंदु बना हुआ था, जो विद्यालय दानापुर खगौल का, वहाँ से जो तकनीकी पक्ष जो था वहीं से संचालित हो रहा था। और उस वजह से जो निर्धारण करने में जो सहूलियत हुई कि एक भी अगर विषय हो, एक भी सूचना देनी हो तो सबको सहजता से मिल जाती थी और वह हर विषय के मास्टर ट्रेनर हो या शिक्षक हो सब तक कैसे पहुंचाई जाए वो बिल्कुल क्रमशः क्रमबद्ध था। तो यह सब कुछ थोड़ा सा नियंत्रित करना होगा अगर हम आभासी रूप से जुड़ते हैं तो। क्योंकि सर का जो शुरू में जो हमारा कार्यक्रम जब आरंभ हुआ तो सभी अचानक सूचना मिली कि गूगल से जुड़ जाना है और वहाँ पर इनॉग्रेशन होना है। तो मुझे लगा कि भाई हमारी कार्यशाला का जो समय दिया गया था उसकी वजह से फिर 10 मिनट और देर हो जाएगी। लेकिन मैंने जब जुड़ने का प्रयास किया तो देखा कि जो सूचना है उसी में कुछ गड़बड़ी है, सूचना सही नहीं मिल पाई। और इसलिए चूंकि मैंने देखा था कि दानापुर में जब कार्य शुरू हुआ तो वहाँ पर सर की जो बातचीत थी वो सभी शिक्षकों से और सभी जो हमारे संचालक थे और जो मास्टर ट्रेनर थे सबसे पहले उनकी बात हुई और उन्होंने बड़े ही आदर के साथ सबको यह संदेश दिया था कि आप सब स्वतंत्रता पूर्वक और काफ़ी विमर्श के साथ आपस में मिलजुल कर अपने पूरे कार्य को अंजाम दें। तकनीकी रूप से हम आपके सहयोग के लिए उपस्थित रहेंगे। तो तकनीकी पक्ष की जो बात है वो काफ़ी संतुलित करने की ज़रूरत थी। हालांकि इस पर बहुत हमारा नियंत्रण नहीं हो सकता है इंटरनेट की वजह से, लेकिन मैं ज़रूर कहूँगा कि जो हम लोग उपस्थित होकर के विद्यालयों में किया करते थे उससे कम रोचक और कम ज्ञानवर्धक यह आभासी वेबिनार नहीं रहा है। और मैं इसके लिए अपने अभिभावक, अपने सभी वरिष्ठ मित्रों का तहे दिल से शुक्रगुजार हूँ। और बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर, अपनी बात मुझे रखने का जो अवसर दिया गया।
Thank you, sir. Thank you a lot. So we are short of time. We can't invite all our resource persons. So here I am going to invite some of our precious resource persons. First name is Mr. Randhir Kumar. I would like to invite all our resource person, means Mr. Randhir Kumar sir. With this request that kindly take 3 to 4 minutes to complete your talk, so that we feel convenience to complete all these things in time. Thank you, sir. Randhir sir, most welcome.
Good afternoon.
Is he here?
Good afternoon. Am I audible?
Yes,
Good
you are
afternoon.
Yes sir,
you are audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody. Most honorable, namaste. Most honorable ARO sir, and other principals of Bihar Zone F, fellow colleagues and teachers. Good afternoon once again to everybody, and thank you very much for offering me some time to express my feelings. And through this, I would take this opportunity to extend my sincere gratitude to Chana sir, who has been always a mentor, a guide for me, and also providing me the opportunity to explore myself within limited time, my learnings, my experience with all the scholar friends teaching in different schools. I was not expecting, but you have given me this opportunity, and the opportunity has once again given me some space to extend whatever I could know and to be fruitful to the teachers. I do not know how much they were benefited by my session, but still it was a good sharing, good learning and interaction among all. Yes, we have been passing through a very tough time, but still in this crisis, as it is said, that necessity is the mother of invention, and this has proved again that in this crisis period also, by being far away from our students, we have tried our best way to impart education through online. And this webinar also, among the teachers, we have been trying ourselves to exchange our learnings in the interest of the school and students at large. I hope the initiative taken by under the guidance of ARO, efforts being made by the many principals, and the endeavor done by the participants would certainly bring positive color and positive result in the days to come. With these few words, once again I extend my sincere gratitude to ARO sir and other senior principals of the zone, and to the colleagues and teachers. Thank you very much once again. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Now, I'm going to invite our next resource person, Mr. Falguni Rai. Sir, please share your experience with us.
Thanks a lot, sir. A very warm good evening to all the honorable learned persons present in the virtual platform. First, I would like to extend my thanks to Honorable ARO sir for providing me the chance to act as a resource person for the secondary teachers English. I'd like to extend my thanks to all the principals of the zone, especially to SM Hoxha for coordinating these 3 days webinar absolutely perfectly. I would like to thank all my learned colleagues, the participants, for their patient listening, whatever I have shared, and for their active participation. I will be very happy that if whatever I have experienced during these last 7-8 months for pandemic, I have tried to assimilate them in my resources, and I have shared the same with them. And if those resources get implemented in the physical classroom or in the online teaching, I will feel privileged. It was a pleasure to be present in the webinar, and for one more time, I will really thank my mentor, Sir A.K. Jana, the Honorable ARO of Bihar Zone F. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Now, I would like to invite any master trainers who wants to share their experience, switch on their mic and share his experience with us. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, one name I missed to speak out. So first of all, I would like to invite one of the resource persons, Miss Tanushri Chaudhary. Madam, please switch on your microphone and share your feelings with us. It would be a very, very memorable moment for us listening to you.
Thank you, sir,
Thank you.
for inviting me. I am extremely blessed that I have just got a wonderful opportunity to share my whatever I have learned to my wonderful colleagues. They have listened very patiently, and I just want to pay my gratitude to ARO sir, A.K. Jana sir, who is my mentor, as well as I would like to name Sinha sir also, as these two persons are really played a pivotal role in my life. So from my bottom heart, the core of heart, I just gratitude, I can pay my thanks, and thanks is very small word to them. And really, I feel very glad that I have such a wonderful galaxies of learned colleagues with me. It's really a very wonderful opportunity, and really, I am very thankful to Jana sir that he has asked me to do this. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam, a lot. Thank you a lot. Now, I would like to invite any master trainers who likes to share his feelings. Please switch on your microphone. You are most welcome. Master trainers, if
Hello, hello.
yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Sunita
Good afternoon. Yeah, Sunita
Di-
Divedi, ma'am.
Divedi.
Good
Yes, ma'am.
afternoon.
Yes,
Good afternoon.
very,
Actually,
very,
I'm
very
Sunita
good afternoon.
Divedi. I'm Sunita Divedi from DAV ARA, Mill Road. Okay. Actually, good afternoon to our Honorable ARO sir, Jana sir, and other principals of Bihar Zone F. I want to pay thanks. First of all, I want to pay thanks to DAV committee to organize this type of workshop time to time. Okay. By getting this type of platform, we can share our views and it will help us in our teaching. Okay. And then I am satisfied with this webinar. Why? Because as all my participants, as well as the teachers, they involve actively in this webinar, and I hope that they will implement this in their classroom. So once again, I want to pay thanks to our respected ARO sir. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Now I would like Mr. Sanjay Sinha, Principal DAV, Public School, Ara. Sir, please switch on your microphone and share your experience with us. It is our humble request. next. Okay, it is hoped he is not present. Next, I would like to invite Mr. P.C. Tripathi, Principal, DAV Public School, Bikramganj. Sir, please switch on your microphone, and I request you to share your experience with us. Mr. P.C. Tripathi, Principal, DAV Public School, Bikramganj. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Yes, sir. I request our Honorable Principal, Sir, P.C. Tripathi, DAV Public School, Bikramganj. Okay, sir. P.C. Tripathi, sir. Share your experience with us. Sir. P.C. Tripathi, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Sir,
yes.
he is coming.
Love.
Hello. Hello.
Right, right. Speak out.
sir.
Speak out, sir.
हाँ हाँ सर, मैं सॉरी बाहर हो गया था, मैं घुस नहीं पा रहा था फिर। आदरणीय डीएवी पब्लिक स्कूल बक्सर प्रक्षेत्र के रीजनल ऑफिसर आदरणीय श्री के जैना सर और एवं अन्य विद्यालयों के डीएवी पब्लिक स्कूल बक्सर प्रक्षेत्र के सभी विद्यालयों के प्राचार्यगण, इस कार्यशाला में उपस्थित सभी शिक्षकगण, इस कार्यशाला को संपन्न कराने वाले सभी प्रशिक्षकगण, आप सबका हार्दिक अभिनंदन है, स्वागत है। मैं आप सबका आभार प्रकट करता हूं। आप सबके सहयोग से यह 3 दिन की कार्यशाला बड़े ही सुचारू रूप से संपन्न हुई और शिक्षक नियमित रूप से उपस्थित होकर जितना सीखते हैं, मेरे अनुमान से उससे कम नहीं सीखे हैं इस ऑनलाइन कार्यशाला में भी। विशेषकर संस्कृत की कार्यशाला में इसके प्रशिक्षक और संचालक शशि रंजन ने बहुत मेहनत की और अनेक विद्वानों से संपर्क साधा, जिसमें 4 विभिन्न जगह के विद्वान सम्मिलित हुए। आरा वीर कुंवर सिंह आरा विश्वविद्यालय के प्राध्यापक डॉक्टर गौरी शंकर तिवारी जी तीनों दिन उपस्थित रहे। उन्होंने इस कार्यशाला में भाग भी लिया, दूसरों की बातें भी सुनते रहे, कहे कि मुझे भी ये अच्छा लगता है कि आप लोग इतनी अच्छी बातें करते हैं। और उन्होंने शिक्षकों के व्याकरण से संबंधित शंकाओं का समाधान भी किया। इसके बाद कामेश्वर सिंह विश्वविद्यालय दरभंगा के व्याकरण विभाग के अध्यक्ष शर्मा जी भी उपस्थित थे और उन्होंने भाषा में व्याकरण की उपयोगिता, व्याकरण में आ रही त्रुटियों पर सब शिक्षकों का ध्यान आकर्षित किया और उन्हें बड़े अच्छी तरह से उसको समझाने का प्रयास किया कि शिक्षित विद्वानों को किस प्रकार से भाषा में आ रही त्रुटियों से बचना चाहिए और उसको शुद्ध करने का प्रयास करना चाहिए। इसके पश्चात पटना में संस्कृत महाविद्यालय घाना मठ के प्राध्यापक शर्मा जी ने भी 2 दिन रह करके व्याकरण संबंधी सब दुर्गताओं का, कठिनाइयों को दूर करने का प्रयास किया, सब शिक्षकों को बताया। और शशि रंजन ने, स्वयं मैंने भी शिक्षकों को यह प्रयास किया संबोधित करने का कि उन्हें किस प्रकार से शिक्षा में आ रही दुर्वलताओं को दूर करने का प्रयास करना चाहिए। इसके अतिरिक्त शिक्षकों ने बहुत सहयोग किया। शिक्षक भी सब विद्वान हैं। आवश्यकता है कि वे उन अपनी योग्यताओं का पूरा प्रदर्शन करें, उनका पूरा उपयोग करें। कई बार शिक्षकों ने इतनी अच्छी अच्छी बातें बताई जो कि हम सब का भी और पहुंचे हुए मूर्धन्य विद्वानों का भी ध्यान उस पर नहीं जाता है। वो बातें शिक्षकों को भी मालूम है, लेकिन आवश्यकता वही है कि शिक्षक उन सब चीजों को जो उनकी जानकारी है उसका 100% योगदान दें, बच्चों के बीच उनको ले जाएं। केवल यह कि बच्चों को पढ़ाना है, हम कुछ भी पढ़ा दें, यह बात सोच कर ना जाएं। बच्चों के पास अपनी अच्छी से अच्छी बातें लेकर जाएं, अपना 100% योगदान दें। इसी बातों के लिए हम लोगों ने शिक्षकों को संकल्प लिया कि हम सब पूरा का पूरा प्रयास करेंगे और ये कार्यशाला जिन उद्देश्यों को लेकर के गई है कि संचालित की गई है, उसके लिए हम सब निरंतर प्रयत्नशील रहेंगे। इस 3 अक्सर प्रक्षेत्र के रीजनल ऑफिसर आदरणीय सहयोग देने वाले सभी विद्वानों का, संचालकों का और भाग लेने वाले शिक्षकों का एक बार पुनः बहुत बहुत आभार। बहुत
Am I audible? Good afternoon,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes,
Vijay
sir, you
Kumar.
are.
Yes, sir.
Vijay Kumar, sir. Principal DAV Public School, Kusoli. Kindly switch on your microphone and share your feeling with us. Vijay Kumar, sir. Are you listening my voice? Vijay Kumar, sir. Am I audible to you? Vijay Kumar, sir. Switch on your microphone. And I request you to share your feelings with us regarding this webinar. Sir. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are.
And my voice is not going to Vijay Kumar, sir, Principal DAV Public School, Pusauli. I think that there is a link problem.
Yeah, maybe.
So I'm going to invite next principals P. Dahal, Principal DAV Public School, Mohania. Sir, you are kindly requested to share your feelings with us.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon. Honorable ARO, Mr. A.K. Jana, DAV Public Schools, Bihar Zone F, worthy colleague principals, efficient master trainers, and erudite subject teachers of the zone. I feel elated to have joined for the first time in the webinar that has been taking place since last 3 days under the able coordination guidance of Jana sir and the mentoring of the principal supervisors. And I need to thank all of you from the bottom of my heart. And I will cite a quote which is very much famous, that you know it is also applicable to the classroom situations when you teach a class. For the students, tell me and I forget. Teach me, I may remember, but involve me, I will learn. So collaborative learning is the motto of education, and we people in the education platform are learners. And we, when collaborate among ourselves, the learning outcomes become visible, and that has also have happened in this 3 days webinar. Even though it was a virtual platform, still nonetheless, the outcomes of the webinar are immense. So I once again congratulate all of you for your active participation even on Sunday, and have given your inputs, especially in science. When I sat before the teachers and discussed a few points, even some teachers have given inputs which the students used to ask, like bending of light. When it passes from one medium to other medium, why does it bend? Even there was a conceptual misconception among the students that has also been tried to clear by our master trainers. Still, a few points remained uncovered, which will be covered in the next time to come. So this is the platform which we gain our experiences and share our experiences and difficulties when you stuck in the classroom. And that has been to some extent resolved. And you know, learning is a perpetual process. When you teach one period, we have to learn for 3 periods. So then the teaching will be effective. And one point of caution we must take to our mind, that whatever we have learned or whatever collaborations we have done in these platforms, that has to be translated effectively by our warriors of the class, that is the subject teachers, who need to take or translate the learning outcomes of the webinar into the classroom situations, so that the purpose of the workshop will be satisfied and the very purpose of our collaboration will come to the ground reality. So without taking much time, I once again thank Jana sir for giving me an opportunity to coordinate with science faculty in particular, and in general, all the participants and principals. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, a lot. Next,
Thank you, sir.
I would like to invite Mr. Deepak Kumar, Headmaster, BSDAV Public School, Ara. Sir, please switch on your microphone and share your feeling with us. Mr. Deepak Kumar. Deepak Kumar, sir, kindly switch on your microphone. Deepak Kumar, sir, is not available, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Deepak Kumar, sir. Yes.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Deepak Kumar, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Please share your feelings with us. Yes.
Honorable ARO, sir. master trainers, the teachers, and my worthy colleagues. Namaste, one and all. I'm very much confident that this 3 days webinar ended with great success and also enriched all of you with a great knowledge, the skill, understanding, and one more thing, that is the peace. It would be the balanced. For any training program to be successful, we need to have a commitment that we will properly discharge our duty, responsibility at our own level. So, my dear colleague, we need to keep the thing why to teach. That's important. Why to teach? How to teach we have already learned here in 3 days. But why to teach? So we don't have a fixed agenda or adamant situation while we are teaching in the classroom. We need to be flexible, fluid, and experimenting, so that everyone can able to share their views with you. What you have learned here in 3 days, you need to be execute in your classroom. You need to be passionate. You need to be driven teacher. Of course, you have enormous amount of energy as well as the knowledge. But we as a principal, we at the from the management group, just want to from your side that you need to be energized those whom you are teaching. That's the important thing. And second one is that you need to make the strength, have a skill how to learn. That's the important thing. Not just to go in the classroom, okay, when go to the classroom and just deliver what you want to be. You need to be subjective, you need to be flexible, you need to be experimenting. That's the important thing. Thank you. Once again, I would like to thank all of my colleagues.
Thanks a lot, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you a lot. Now, it has been very pleasure to be hearing of our honorable principal come ARO, Mr. A.K. Jana, sir. So now I am going to, So sir has told me to first request Mr. Vijay Kumar, sir, Principal DAV Public School, Kusauli. Sir, if you are listening my voice, kindly switch on your microphone. We are very much impatient to get your sharings, views and ideas. Vijay Kumar sir, please switch on your microphone and share your feeling with us. Now, with humble request, I would like to request our honorable principal sir, come ARO, Mr. A.K. Jana sir, please bless us and share your views, ideas, suggestions, guidelines, as you have been sharing your ideas, guiding us a lot, like our guardian. So again, I request you to please switch on your microphone and share your feelings. Please, someone's mic is open. Please mute your microphone.
Good afternoon, everybody. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Good afternoon.
Yes, sir,
Good
you are
afternoon,
audible.
Audible, sir.
Right. At the end, I would like to extend my regards and gratitudes and gratefulness to all of you, one and all. I'm really grateful to my fellow principals who were the station in charge or subject in charge, and last almost 15 days they were in touch with the master trainer for preparing the schedules or slots based on the need-based webinar. Similarly, I extend my deep regards to all of my master trainers from this zone as well. A special regard to the master trainer, namely Mr. Randhir Kumar, head of the Public School Rajoli, Mr. Phalguni from West Bengal, master trainer from West Bengal, and Mr. Nusri, master trainer as well, CBSE resource persons. All three are the CBSE resource persons also from the DAV Public Schools, Bihar Sharif, Nalanda. And my senior most as well master trainer as well, who was regular in touch with me for preparing the schedule, particularly in English, Mr. Hawk. I extend my regards to all of you. Similarly, I extend or I thank to Corona that it has given me opportunity to touch almost all sections last 3 days, what I was unable to touch physical seminar or classroom seminar, what we have conducted in last 2 years. Now during last 3 days, almost I touch all corner, although not a longer period. I have spent enough time, particularly in English, and I have learned so many things from the master trainer of English as well as SST. Overall, you have shared everything almost that as per the present need, our teachers has given main emphasis over the few topics like the experiential learning, theme of NEP 2020, art integrated learning, and some transformations from rote learning to the skill-based learning. I hope our master trainers have done a lot to convince our teachers what are the central ideas of NEP and what they have to plan to discharge their duty from this year itself. And in that context, I'd like to share that CBSE has also made district-wise team, district training coordinator, headed by the principals, and our DAV, so many heads are the district training coordinator. They have CBSE has assigned this duty over us, and CBSE also have the plan to run the series of webinar to accustomed with this latest concept or this NEP, or to bring NEP into the root level. But before that one, at least our teachers is lucky enough, and our master trainers, they are well equipped with the various aspects of NEP 2020, and that has been discussed in all sections. I mean, science, maths, SST, English, and else everywhere. So that case, I must say you are fortunate enough. Before implementing the CBSE, you people at least have some concept, at least you have some ultra knowledge about the NEP 2020. Dear friends, I have no doubt at all over the mastering of your subjects, but I have some doubt towards the attitudes, towards the dignity, towards the transformations of your knowledge into the classroom. That thing maybe knowingly or unknowingly happened beyond your knowledge. If it is unknowingly happened, nothing harms. You can overcome from this undo to do or don't do to do. But if you do knowingly, so it is my sincere advice, please change your attitudes. Please change your attitudes. Last 3 days during webinar, I have seen the different attitudes of our teachers as well as our master trainers. The body language of teachers as well as our master trainer. The selection of languages or vocabulary of our master trainers as well as our teachers. That clearly discriminates the decency between two classes. Dear teachers, it is my humble submission to all of you. By the sake of Almighty, we are assigned for the noble cause. And I am happy to share with you that last almost 11 months, you fight neck to neck and you tried your level best to take our little kids, you nurtured them, you take our little kids from subjecting themselves into the distress or mental agony. You did a marvelous job with the help of science and technology. As soon as situation need, you jump for extend your services. But till I have some submission, what I felt last 3 days, I wish to share with you. Selection of languages or vocabulary to be used for your fellow friends or for your teacher. That should be decent. That should be submissive. There should be the humbleness, and language should be used which is easily graspable, which touch the heart of the individual one. If you do like that way, then definitely your throw, your guideline, your directions will be effective one. It is needless to take the name, but especially in mathematics, few teachers, I do hope you realize, your throwing was just dictating, and that is the pitch of languages and pronunciations and articulations that was quite creating irritations in mind. Being a teacher, being a well experienced, we teacher, we principal, we had a lots of experience, long experience. If this irritation developed in our mind, then you think what your action, your pose, your vocabulary develop irritations in the child mind. This NEP 2020 mainly focused the psychology of the student concerned. First and foremost, whatever it has implemented, that rote learning, exam preparation learning that are obsolete now. Thereafter, CCE implemented, that there is a continuous and comprehensive educations. I mean interactive class. Now the concept of CCAG, not rote learning, not exam learning, not interactive learning, but it should be the skill developing learning, or you can say informatic learning. Now technology, or simple, just you said that Google, it is in your hand with a single button, so many experiences, so many informations in your hand. So that is required. So dear friends, whom have this type of attitude, kindly change your this type of dictatorships or this type of ordering attitudes or this type of use of indecent language. I do believe, I know there is an impact of local dialects, but still you are dealing with all intellectuals as well as raw materials. Your all body languages, your decency, your alertness, your pronunciations of the literature, your guideline, your directions, everything is very, very important for the budding children because they are imitating us. And once we fail, or once our children are misguided, that will be the huge loss of the, or huge loss for we people or for our society. So it is my humble request. Select very for the reference or for the teaching, very soft, which is really graspable, simple, and your body language, that must give the fragrance of aroma, your attitude, your intention, your practices, that definitely help us to build up your confidence as well as our children confidence. So during 3 days, apart from other things, only few teachers are like that. So kindly incorporate all these good values, moral values in your life, please, irrespective of master trainer or the participants. It is my humble submissions. If you do like this way, definitely your children will come up. In addition to, although NEP said that medium of instructions up to the primary level, that should be the mother language, but situation need, you develop environment in your school, that spoken part, spoken and fluency environment where our budding kids, our children, they can enjoy with the teaching learning process. It is my humble request to all of you. Once again, I extend my regards from my core of heart to all the master trainers, to the principals, and special regards without any, means for a single, or with the help of single knock, they agreed to conduct or participate in this seminar from sitting from the different end. I am really grateful for these 3 persons that in a single word or single knock, they gave us different directions. They enlighten our teachers,